Welcome to the Bett Exhibitor demo on how to use a web platform. The reason you'll want to use a web platform for your show app as well is so that you can connect your teams. Now, your initial login process, you'll go via the initial website link that you have been provided. If you've already logged in on the mobile app, then your profile details such as this will already be up to date. The only step you might see here on web that you won't see on mobile if it's the first time you've logged in is an invitation to start your teams. This will just say, would you like to create your team? And you can simply add your company name and that will allow you to log in. I've skipped this step on here because I've already set mine up. However, it will be shown in this screen here. Once you consent to intelligent matchmaking, you can get started. Now the teams area is in the top right-hand corner under my team. If you click on this and you've already logged in on the web platform, all you need to do is add in your team name. Now that will allow you to get started, and any other representatives from your company should also be connected if they've already registered. The main area for your Teams page is your company profile. You can go in here and add in your details as you wish. However, you will note that you won't be able to edit any of the information that's on here. If you need to edit it, you can go to the eZone to update your details by clicking on the link here. This will take you through, and once your updates have been approved, they will flow back through on the mobile app to show on your Exhibitor page. And this is the same for your products as well. Your team members will all be sat in here under team members. You won't be able to invite anyone, so don't worry about this button here. Everyone who's already registered for the event from your company should be connected. If anyone from your company has advised you that they can't get into their team section, make sure you as the admin logs in, just double check and accepts their invite. This might happen if they've registered after you've set the team up. Now, the main information as to why you'll want to get your team started is for the inbound leads. So here you will see all of the inbound leads. This is any interaction between you, your company profile, or your product's profile. This could be from someone viewing your company profile, being interested in your company profile, so they might have bookmarked it to make sure they may come and visit you at the event, or it could be that they're interested in you or a team member or a product. You'll be able to go into the list and you'll be able to select interest in them. That will bookmark them. You might want to keep note of who has shown interest in you ahead of the show so you can follow up with them at the event. And you will be able to skip them if they're an irrelevant lead for you. However, this is a great way to make sure you aren't missing out on any views that your profile is getting from inside the mobile app. You might have lots and lots of visitors ahead of the show who are previewing your profile. Here's a great way to see who that has been, so you can make sure that you have connected with them at the event. If they show interest in you and you show interest in them, you will form a connection and you will be able to chat with them. However, any visitors will be able to come through to your company page and chat with you directly, where you can reply here. So any team members can reply as your company and say, give some information. You can let them know where you will be at the event. But it's just really a way for them to reach out without reaching out directly to a representative. Hopefully this has been helpful to show you how you can set up your team. But if you have any questions, do reach out to support, who will be able to assist you with any queries that you have. Thank you.